Spraying medicine, fungicides, or other chemical treatments can fully protect grapes from the physical impact of heavy rain, hail, or extreme temperature shifts. Spraying fungicides can protect the vines and fruit before infection or control spread after infection. Fungicides only target diseases. Weather effects like temperature swings, sunburn, or excess moisture uptake go beyond. Additional protection tips. Fungal disease, timely fungicide spraying. Grape cracking, good drainage, canopy control. Avoid overwatering, hail nets or protective structures, sunburn. Partial shading, leaf management. Excess moisture, use plastic covers or row tunnels.